Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Clinton Stephen. If you are new to the channel, I'm a amateur photographer living in United Kingdom, England. So I used to post many pictures in my Instagram. So my friends asked me about like, where did you find this composition? Where is the place you find these kind of pictures? So my main motive of this video is to show you how would I take a photo walk, and it's mainly through a park near my hometown. It's called Spice Bowl. If you're in Banbury, you probably know this place. So it's a beautiful park for a walk. So my main photo hunt is in this park. So if I saw a composition, I'll show you, and we can take pictures together, and I show them while I going on. So sorry for the noise. It's a rainy day. It's not a better day to shoot a video, I know, but still I'm trying my best. So bear with me, and we'll see. I'll just give you a walkthrough, and we'll see how it goes on, and hopefully the rain will come down a bit. Here we are. Let's start our walk. So this is the canal near the Spice Bowl Park. So we are going in to this way. So it's very beautiful, but today is rainy, so it's not better to take pictures because my camera is not weather resistant. But we'll see. We'll see if I find a shade or something to be here. So I'll take a shot. So you can see the boats in this canal. So the people used to live in there. That looked like a good composition. You can see the leaves is coming through like that. So I'll make it look like a frame, and then I frame the picture of that red boat over there. We'll see how it look like. So I'm gonna take a picture from this shade, and I'll show you once I took it. I found another beautiful thing. I don't know what is this thing, but there is a water droplet on the edge, so it looked very nice. So I'll try a photo and I'll show you in the screen. Hopefully I get the water drop in focus. We'll see. We are continue our walking, but so far nothing good or nothing interesting I noticed. Some days are like this, like you'll find nothing interesting, even if you try hard to find a composition, you can't find it. It's natural. But the thing is, I used to be lazy if I doesn't get back home with a bunch of photos. Some days you'll get nothing. You will be like a blank. Like, why should I do this anymore? But the thing is, like, you need to keep going. There is no one else to push you. Here we are. I found something interesting. The tree's been chopped off. The head of the tree's been chopped off. So let's take a picture of this. This look a little bit interesting for me. So we'll check on that and we'll snap a photo of it. I found something interesting here. You can see many water droplets on the edges of these branches. I don't know. I'm obsessed with the water drops today, because there is nothing else to find to be interesting. But this looks very nice. We'll see how we can snap it, and yeah. I found another composition. This is not that much interesting, but we'll see. We'll snap a picture from here and see how it looks.
So far we managed to click some shots. It's not that good, but still we are doing this process. Photography is all about process. You showed up in the time and you're ready to walk miles away and just enjoy the process. That's all about it.
We are winding this video for now. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you people like this video. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.